to ensure that tension goes down, and as much as possible, we encourage inclusivity. Mr. Speaker, if we are going to move in this direction, the leader of majority is giving to the House, there is a possibility that we are going to widen the rift. And as members of the National Assembly, Mr. Speaker, I beseech you that we shouldn't rush because of exigencies of today. If we are rushing these motions because of the exigencies of today, or to correct what we think may have gone wrong somewhere else, whether it is a judgment of the Supreme Court or elsewhere, we may be doing it the wrong direction, Mr. Speaker. I wish to ask for your direction. Is it proper to proceed the way we are doing or not?
Well, on the first one, Honorable Olago Luoch, who of course is a seasoned member of this House, the reasons, I am as eager as yourself to know the reasons why there is need for that reduction. And the best way to do it is to listen to the leader of majority party to canvass his position. On the second one, because this is something which I'm just referring to the standing orders, which I'm sure you're also well versed, especially having been a member of the Legal Affairs Committee. If you look at Standing Order 127, yes, bills need to be committed to departmental committees, but if you look at 2, notwithstanding paragraph 1, the Assembly may resolve to commit a bill to a select committee established for that particular purpose. So I think you have raised very valid issues, really, but if we could listen to the leader majority, in due course, I would give you opportunity if you really think you still want to oppose, and there are many ways of opposing it. You can oppose by way of just saying it. You can even oppose by way of opposing the motion. So I think the best way for us members I also have to what he's about to say, but I will be listening very clearly to the satisfaction of members. Proceed, leader Mati.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The Speaker to the provision of Standing Order 120. Bill, National Assembly Bill number 39 of 2017, from 14 days to 1 day. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleague of mine, and I want to say that we served with him in the 10th Parliament, in the 11th Parliament, and we are serving with him in the 12th Parliament. And I want to thank the people of Kisumu Town West for electing him. This is something very common as per the standing orders. In the next 5 years, this House will be subjected to, in one way or the other, the reduction of publication periods if the House Business Committee or a committee feels the urgency. So there's no crime that this morning we are committing. We are working within Standing Order 120. Number 2, Mr. Speaker, the first bill, the second bill, and the third bill are bills that lapsed in the 11th Parliament. So what we are doing is we are republishing. The copyright bill was in the 11th Parliament. The election offences was a small bill. It was part of the 11th bill. So those three were bills that I'm sure when we form committees, as they mature, we will deal with them. Election Laws Amendment Bill. Mr. Speaker, I think one of the functions of legislation of every member of Parliament who sits in this House is to legislate, is to oversight, and is to represent. So, Mr. Speaker, nobody colleagues to the laws that govern elections. Mr. Speaker, Why is our country, why are we having problems? The problem we're having is about transmission. This bill is trying to, and I don't want, Mr. Speaker, if you allow me just, this because I didn't want to tell the country, is that I'm only supposed to move a procedural motion. But this bill is saying, yes, let the two systems, electronic transmission and manual system, let them move concurrent. Let's have live stream. It's saying that ultimately the chair of IBC must receive the 34As and 34Bs physically for him to announce the winner. That's what the bill is saying. This bill is saying if a PO, a presiding officer or a returning officer, plays mischievous and he falsifies, he alters an election document, he should be liable to 5 years imprisonment. That's what the bill is saying. It's not talking about the Supreme Court. It's not talking, in fact, this bill was very big when the chair of IBC yesterday said, let us have a high court of let us not make a legislation. I am today this bill is the Speaker. This bill is correcting the judgment. Parliament's function in legislation is to clean up pieces of legislation. The minor Kiai case, Mr. Speaker, and there are very renowned lawyers here, minor Kiai case negated certain provisions of the law in the election law. What this bill is trying to do is trying to do the cleanup. What are these guys talking about, Mr. Speaker? Speaker, last night, I was very happy. The media reported exactly what this bill is all about. And I really want to agree with Honorable Olago Oluoch. This bill will cool down the temperatures. This bill will bring us together. This bill will give IBC exact thing, what happens to transmission. So, Speaker, the problem we are in today, our economy is suffering. Our people are polarized. The country is divided. We are going to an election on the 26th. How do we bring our people together? We bring our people together by putting the right laws and making it very clear. That is what this bill is doing. So, Mr. Speaker, there is nothing mischievous. And do not say something which is not in this bill. I dare anybody, I am ready to go to any television talk show from this minute and challenge. This bill is not talking about the Supreme Court or the independence of the judiciary. The Supreme Court gave a ruling. We are the first people, Jubilee, led by the party leader,